Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to log out from eFootball. Let's get started. First, open the eFootball app on your mobile device and make sure it's updated to the latest version. Now, if you try to log out directly, you will notice there is no option to do so. That's because the app does not offer a traditional logout feature. However, there is a workaround you can try. You will need to delete your current account and then create a new one. To do this, go to the Extra tab located at the top right corner. From there, select Support, then Access Services and Info. Now tap on Delete User ID. You will be asked to confirm the deletion. Just agree and follow the on-screen instruction to complete the process. That's basically that's basically how you can log out from eFootball by deleting your user ID. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.